Welcome to Crypto Pakistan. Today we will discuss Mobox token. Current price of Mobox token is $3.81. Current ranking of Mobox is 185 in coin market cap. Mobox token is launched on Binance Smart Chain. Market cap fully diluted market cap trading volume of 24 hours, which is 7.67% up. Circulating supply, max supply, total supply. And now we will discuss about one day low and high price. The low price is $3.77 and the high price is $4.25 and 1 month low price is $1.80 and the high price is $4.25, which is 125% up. And now we will discuss about news. Momo verse from Mobox is here. The Momo verse is a new world where user can perform numerous activities in metaverse of endless possibilities, which is good development in Mobox token. And now we will discuss about news. And now we will visit Mobox website. Enter Momoverse. These are Mobox games. Token Master. Play to earn game. Second game, Block Traveler. Third game, Chain Arena. This is NFT marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs. Moland, this is upcoming project. Governance DAO, this is also upcoming project. Moversity,